Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we are producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button on our channel, and you can follow me individually at Just Analysis 1 and at Kosh at Muñeco0. Taking a look here at Polkadot. Polkadot, definitely one of the ugliest looking charts right now, but at the same time, I'm still uber bullish on it. I think I did like a video on it. I've written a couple articles on it this week, but this is what I'm really going to focus on. Not the Ichimoku system, not the candlesticks. What I really want to focus on is this pattern right here, because the nice thing about it is it doesn't have an invalidation point. This is a spike pattern. So spike pattern in point and figure is, any column of X's or O's that has 15 or more X's or O's. And it's a pattern that signifies extremes, things that are very much overdone, and the entry is on the 3-box reversal. So currently we're looking at that at $26 even, 4-box stop at $18, and the initial target, so using the vertical profit target method, it's all the way up at $100. Now, is it going to hit that in one single column? No. 2 columns? Probably not. The initial resistance zone is likely in that $39 to $42 range on the Ichimoku chart. But from a point and figure perspective, this column originally developed, the first 3-box reversal of this column of O's, that originally developed on November 3rd. So when we go from November 3rd to December, January, February, and before you know it, we're going to be in March. So it could be 4 months of waiting for even a single bullish reversal from this column. And even though there's no time factor involved in point and figure, this is an inordinate amount of time on any crypto chart for there to especially with the relative size and scale. This is a $2 3-box reversal chart. It's very odd that it's or not odd, but like out of it's very, very uncommon that it would spend this amount of time without a single bullish reversal column. So the point of making here is that you look at that Ichimoku chart, candlestick chart, it's just an exercise in frustration, because it's like, will it break down? Won't it break down? Will it break down? Won't it break down? The price action suggests it's sitting there ready for, crazy bearish collapse, but the oscillators are showing that they're already at extreme lows. So like if there is a dip, it's likely to be a bearish. Anyways, looking at it from this perspective, there is no invalidation point for the long entry. If it moves lower by 1 box, so does the entry, and so does the stop loss. And that's all it does. So, I mean, I really have nothing else to talk about DOT other than me and many others, we're just kind of looking at this point and figure chart and waiting for it to trigger that 3-box reversal, because that was my alarm. The reversal column is going to be one that likely generates, if it's not a trend change, at least a very swift and violent corrective move higher, which is what I'm looking for. And anyways, I'm not sure what you see, Akash. I'll pass it off to you.
Thank you, John. So DOT has been getting rejected around or at the retest of this 50-day moving average here since 28 December. And the presence of this weekly resistance level here at 31.56 made it extremely easy for the bears to push DOT lower. And on 21st Jan, obviously it's a fatal fade after rejection from the 50-day moving average. Found support at this monthly support level here at 16.15. In the last video that I discussed, I expected Polkadot to extend this run up and at least retest the 50-day moving average again, but it kind of fell short and went the other direction quickly. For now, from a lower term perspective, as you can see here, it has created quite a bit of equal lows. All right, so the one here and a few around here. So there's a good chance this uptrend is going to fail and DOT is going to dip and collect the liquidity resting below these lows over here, which is at 17.3 and 18.0. But it would be very good if DOT retest the monthly support level here at 16.15 again. And that's where I would kind of position myself long. For now, I'm just going to let it run. So the downside for me is capped at 16.156 and the upside at 23.46. I don't see it crossing either of these levels anytime soon, at least not until Bitcoin resolves the consolidation that's been happening. In an extremely bearish case scenario where I'm expecting Bitcoin to head to 30K or lower and Ethereum to head down to 1.7K, in that particular case alone, I'm expecting DOT to retest this demand zone here, at which ranges from $10 to $12. Let me repeat that again. This is an extremely bearish case scenario, and I'm expecting DOT to retest this level if and only if Bitcoin heads down to 30K or lower. So that sums up my analysis for DOT.
Thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.